classic line is, if it was easy, everybody'd be doing it. It's not easy at all, but having the right resources and tools available to you makes it possible for you to get these things done. I got into real estate because it is a passion that I love. Also, it's a good security. I work in corporate America. It's also an opportunity to go ahead and make some additional money to add to your regular 9-to-5 job. Just being able to design, be able to go ahead and put in certain things that you want in your own home. You can put in this home, build, design, and capture a vision in that property that would make it look good and attract some potential buyers. We replaced all the cabinets, added new appliances here, put in an overhead microwave and a hood fan. Also add the decorative look here. Actually, I'm part of a team of investors. Investor proposed me with an opportunity. I looked at it, ran the numbers, it made sense for me, and I knew I had to do this deal. The condition of the property was kind of, probably hadn't been updated since the 80s. This is my first deal through Hart money. The support was awesome. Going through the process was really great. The team was really helpful. When I had some issues or some concerns, they definitely had the answers. Staircase was a huge task. A lot of manual labor in here. We had to strip all this down to the wood there. This alone was about a $1,500 project. Just being able to acquire the property. A lot of people would like to get into this game, but sometimes they don't have the means, and Hart really provided the means to be able to do that. We pretty much did an entire rehab and gut here as well. There was a bar that was once here, we removed down. We opened up the space here. Learning lesson. There were a lot of things that I learned from here. Basically, making sure your contractors stay on project on time. Time is definitely of the essence there. Making sure that you follow the process that Hart have laid out, and you'll pretty much be successful in completing a project. All right, for this bathroom here, the before was really difficult. We had shower doors, older kind of closet built in there. So we broke all that down. Put ceramic tile on the shower there. I'm looking to make probably about $30,000 or $40,000 when it's all said and done. I'm going to take that money and reinvest into another opportunity to try and grow that and for my next deal. It's going to just help add more value to my life as far as being able to live more comfortably and provide for my family.